audit video. IR number 16541. Created po yung IR by Ma'am Celine. Tapos, ang remarks po, critical stock of sticker paper. Bali po, nakapag-SR na. Waiting na lang po for deliveries. IR number 16542. Remarks ay created po by Ma'am Celine. Tapos, yung remarks po, pull out ng overstock back to head office. Bali po, napadala na po namin yung overstock, and then ito po yung receipt sa bus, and then yung picture po ng pinadala. IR number 16546, created po ng IR by Ma'am Celine. And then yung remarks po, critical stocks of mugs on stainless tumbler. Bali po, dumating na po yung item, and then na-picture na. Ito po yung proof.